Hey everyone, welcome back to Bosi Eats, where the flavors are bold, the vibes are cozy, and nobody is crying in the kitchen today, okay? So, first things first, let's talk about this meat. Yes, I washed it, and yes, with vinegar and lemon, and yes, if you don't wash your meat, that's between you and your ancestors. Now, I'm going to season it up with some Spice Jamaica Reggae Blend. Listen, this is where the pilau starts acting brand new. If you don't have that, bouillon works just fine, or just salt and pepper. But if you do have Spice Jamaica, whew, amazing. Now we're going to chop up some onions because we're going to caramelize it and use this to cook our meat. Once you're done, set that aside. Now it's time to rinse our rice. Yes, and if you don't rinse your rice, that's your problem, not mine. So we're going to start by adding some cold water with the rice in a strainer, as you can see, and get ready. In a heated skillet, you're going to add your oil and your onions and let them caramelize. In goes the meat and that beautiful pilau masala. Stir it around and let everything toast just a little. We want those spices to wake up. Once you're done, you add 2 cups of water, cover it, and let it cook until the meat is tender. This takes about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on if your meat wants to behave today. This is a good time to clean up or dance or mind your business for a bit. Now enter my husband because I have to put him on onion duty, because if I cut onions, I'll be crying like I'm in a 90s music video, and listen, I don't want to cry like Mariah Carey. So he took one for the team. We love a supportive king in the kitchen. And I think I may have said this numerous times, but my husband is Kenyan, and so I am trying to create ways for our children to embrace both cultures, Jamaican and Kenyan. So I do this by the way of cooking in my kitchen and sharing stories as well. Now we're going to get these onions soaking in cold salted water. This little trick takes that sharp bite away. We want flavor, not tears. Clearly, we're avoiding tears all around today. Next up, tomatoes and yellow bell peppers. Look at those colors. Kachumbari should look fresh, bright, and like it belongs next to pilau. And you just can't have pilau without kachumbari. You have to have the two together because they go well together. Alright, back to the pot. Meat is tender, sauce is rich, we're ready. In goes the rinsed basmati rice, followed by 1 cup of coconut milk and 1 cup of water. Yes, 1 cup coconut milk, enough to add richness without turning this into coconut soup. Cover it, turn down the heat, and let the rice cook peacefully. And if you don't have pilau masala, you can always check the description box below where I have all the ingredients and all the instructions. Now is a good time to taste or add some salt or more pilau masala if it needs it, or you can even add garam masala as well. Cover it, turn the heat down, and let the rice cook. Meanwhile, cilantro or dania, if you know, you know. This right here brings everything together, freshness on freshness. Now we strain those onions real good into the bowl they go with the tomatoes, bell peppers, and cilantro. Add a squeeze of lemon juice, a dash of vinegar, and just a little sweet chili sauce, not traditional but very intentional. Mix it up and taste. Kachumbari should be bright, tangy, and refreshing. Now let's check on the pilau. Rice is fluffy, grains are separate, and the smell, yeah. This is the kind of food that makes people wander into the kitchen asking questions. Time to fluff gently because aggressive fluffing leads to broken rice and broken dreams. In goes the raisins and cashews for that sweet, savory, balanced pilau is known for. Cover it back up and let it rest. Now let's plate this up. Pilau on one side, kachumbari on the other. Colors, textures, balance, everything is given. This is the kind of plate that makes people suddenly remember they were hungry. And here she is, beautiful coconut pilau with fresh kachumbari, colorful, flavorful, comforting, and made with teamwork. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you try this recipe, tag me. I love seeing y'all in the kitchen. Until next time, cook with confidence, season boldly, and always protect your eyes and your peace.